opportunity comes, hindi ka makahindi. Kasi I've been praying to the Lord, na Lord, anong gusto mo for us to have an extra income? So the Lord led us na to start with Amare. Kasi first and foremost, hindi ko income ang habol ko. Meron din akong health issues. So I prayed to the Lord and sinabi ni Lord, use the product. So, ang maganda ko dito, you have to use it first, no? Religiously, kasi wala akong magic na agad-agad magte-take effect. So, I have to use it religiously until such time, makikita mo natin na unti-unti nag-work ko yung product sa system ng katawan natin. So, aside from the product, it helps you for your healing, for your physical condition. You still earn. Kasi I thought all the while as a senior citizen, dito na lang mag-end yung aming activities, aming income. But God is faithful and we're really thankful to the Lord that God is leading us to enjoy our remaining life. No? Instead of, aside from serving God, but God is giving us the opportunity na to earn, no, to enjoy. Kasi dito I started as a bronze. Nag-bronze ako. And then going to silver, and then nag-diamond ako, and then platinum, no? And then, ang importante, you have to share. Share it to others, no? Hindi lang yung income generating, but of course, you are helping people a lot for their health issues, no? Ginagamit ko tayo ng Panginoon. At saka, yung life ko natin as a senior citizen, hindi ko dapat tumigil. Na porket we feel na, senior na ako, I'm helpless, I'm useless. No. So hanggat may hininga ho tayo until we are breathing, God is still using us, no? So dito ho maganda sa Amare, even though senior citizen ako, kumikita ho tayo, nag-enjoy pa ho tayo.
Yes.
Okay? So